Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabby. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a really easy shrimp taco recipe. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Let's go ahead and get into the kitchen and get started. First, I took some medium cooked shrimp and I just went ahead and defrosted those and took the tails off. After that, I put them on a paper towel and dried them off so that the seasonings would stick better. While I was seasoning the shrimp, I went ahead and preheated my air fryer. I knew it was going to take me a little bit longer to season these, so I went ahead and preheated it for 15 minutes. I set up 3 different bowls, one with flour, the next with eggs, and the next with breadcrumbs. I went ahead and coated them with flour, then the eggs and the breadcrumbs, making sure they were fully coated, and then I set them aside before I put them in the air fryer. Here is what they should look like before you cook them. I did these in batches because there were so many, and then I went ahead and put them in there for 6 minutes at a time. While those started cooking, I went ahead and made the garnish that I put on top of the tacos. That consists of fresh cilantro, lime juice, and red onion. The amount of lime juice varies on how much you like the flavor of lime. I like a lot, and I also like my garnish to be more on the wet side so that all of the ingredients are able to soak in the lime juice, but that's just my preference. Once the shrimp look golden brown, I take them out and I put them in a bowl. The sauce that I use usually is the Boom Boom sauce from Walmart. I was not able to find that, so I used the sriracha mayo instead. It was a little bit spicier, but it tasted pretty much the same. Now to assemble the tacos, I do a coleslaw base. I put the shrimp on top and then I layer on the garnish. There is the finished product. Alright guys, that's the end of my easy shrimp taco recipe. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see next. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week.